Hello and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see Parisian inspired interiors. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Parisians are quite modern when it comes to interior design. While they appreciate their classic historic apartment suited in the city center, Parisians master that classic and contemporary mix, that constant balance between design and antique. And even if they adore design furniture, antiques are contemporary arts. There is nothing fussy about the fashion chic interiors. Simplicity is valued. Art is often large and singular, or simply not there at all, and furniture is given room to breathe. A typical Parisian style apartment would have white walls, floor to ceiling wall paneling, old herringbone parquet floor, tall windows, sometimes double windows with iron balcony, moldings and marble metals both in the living room and the bedrooms. In a typical Parisian apartment, walls are generally painted white. The color white allows to bring out the detail of the historic ornaments and to get as much natural light as possible. To add contrast and depth to our room, deep colors such as blue-gray, wheat gray, gray and black are sometimes used on a wall or on a door. Jewel tone colors like emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red, amethyst purple, or even a satin yellow also play a role. These colors just need to be an accent like an armchair, a sofa, a cushion, or a lamp. These jewel tone colors match perfectly well the herringbone parquet, the white walls, and the wall paintings of Parisian apartments. To create this Parisian style decor in your home, you will need to, for parquet flooring, from chevron and herringbone parquet de Versailles products to Chanity. You can choose from many different parquet patterns. Maybe I will recommend avoiding the mosaic hardwood flooring, which looks a little bit dated. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your interior with Parisian style. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.